Hazrat Abdullah bin Abi Ufa radiyallahu anhu reports, we were on a journey with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he was fasting. When the sun had set, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to a man, O so and so, get up and mix a parched barley flour for us. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, let the evening fall. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, dismount and prepare sattu, parched barley flour, for us. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, let the evening fall. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, dismount and mix up the parched barley flour with water for us. He submitted, still it is day. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, alight and mix parched barley flour up with water for us. So he dismounted and prepared sattu for them. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam drank that, then said, when you see that the night is advancing from this side, the fasting man should break fast. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1955.